So I've already posted one update already today, so I'm going to start saving these guys, and I'll post everything tonight all together. But I just wanted to check in again. So it's been a couple hours since we started the scramble to get everything ready for clinics tomorrow and possible admission. And when Paige, over the weekend, and when Paige woke up this morning, her lungs had been staying clear. She'd just been coughing out a lot of mucus, so that means we were catching it in her throat. But she's came to me now and said she felt like she was wheezing, and so of course I listened to her, and she's actually wheezing in both lobes now, both upper lobes on each side. And she is able to clear most of it with some good strong coughs, but not all of it. So I'm checking in not only for that, but to also say the Lord knows what we need long before we need it. If we hadn't have had those phone calls this morning and the changes in our plan, I would be calling clinics right now to see if they could squeeze us in tomorrow or Wednesday. And I don't have to do that now. We're getting in tomorrow. And with Paige now wheezing, we're definitely expecting an admission. Okay. So there's that check-in, and apparently Paige wants to show us one more thing. It's probably the other cat, but can't be sure. We'll see. Oh, surprise. It's a Maxie. And a touchy. As you guys can see, I mean, this girl's wheezing and coughing out gobs of yellow mucus. And, you know, this is the 5th week of her being ill like this. And she's still sliding around the kitchen and bouncing around and smiling. So, kind of makes this disease a little bit harder to deal with sometimes. But it's a cute picture. Anyway, until next time.
We made it. Now, good night.
Good night to you too.